So it's just a little bit of grease, right? What could this little bit do? Well, it could clog your pipes, cause raw sewage to back up into your home, force costly repair bills, hurt the environment. Oh, and did I mention the cockroaches? They happen to love grease.
We, RecOil Ranger and Rescue, are here to educate the community in managing waste cooking oil towards sustainable lifestyle.
The project aims to raise awareness among the boarding school community. Thus, this also can create awareness towards the children's household.
Our proposed idea is, the waste cooking oil is filtered then kept in a suitable container.
Collection of the waste can be done by monthly or weekly.
And lastly, the accumulated waste is then brought to the collection center to be weighted and sold to the vendor.
And, this is our industry collaborator and targeted community of the project.
We conducted several meetings with our team members, project advisor and collaborator. Webinar to the community to raise awareness on recycling waste cooking oil. And closing ceremony to appreciate all parties that involved in the project.
In conclusion, this program promised the consistency of sustainability by emerging of the school and local authority in the future that will be planning for similar project. With the contribution from MPK by handing out recycling medium, school community will have annual recycling program organized.